This template is designed to build interactive books in a user-friendly format. Each book is easy to create. For each page, just select the layout needed for the content you'd like to use. The template also includes numerous settings and tools to customize each book to specific needs and abilities. Let's see how to use this page set. Once you open the page set, you will land on this page. The button at the top left corner takes you back to the user portal. The button at the bottom left corner will take you to a set of pages with detailed directions about the template and how to use it. To start building your book, select the button Start Creating, located at the bottom right corner. You will navigate to the title page. In the title page, you'll be able to type a title for the book and select a picture to illustrate the title. You will also be able to select a background color for all the pages and add a new page. Let's choose a background color first. Click on the Color Picker cell and select one of the colors in the panel. Next, let's switch to Edit mode by selecting Menu Edit and customize the title cell. As an example, let's build an All About Me book that can be used by students on the first day of school to share personal information with the rest of the class. Let's type a title and also add a picture. After the title is completed, we are going to exit Edit mode by selecting Menu, Done Edit. Let's now add the first page of the book. The button Add Page opens a pop-up that displays different page layouts. We are going to select Layout 5. It has a large cell for the picture and a small message box. The new page is on the screen, and the message box displays the directions to populate the page. To select a different layout, just eliminate the current page by selecting the Delete Page button and adding a new page. And now we switch again to Edit mode so we can customize the page. To add the text, we can either type it in the yellow cell or paste text that we previously copied from a different application, such as Word or Notepad, for example. To add a picture, we select the Picture cell and then search for an image. Page 1 is done. The text in the yellow cell will be loaded once the page is opened. To try your changes, exit Edit mode and select the Back button. Then, click on the Turn Page button to load the text into the message box.
My name is Morgan.
Let's add another page. We will add more pages and customize them. Once all pages are completed, we finalize the book by adding a page called The End. This step is important and should not be skipped, since this last page has the actions to save a published version of the book. The published version has different navigation buttons and doesn't display the tools needed to build the book. It's a readable version of the book, usually for the student to use. After adding the page, we'll select the Done button first, and then we'll save the published version by selecting Yes, Save. When the Save window opens, we have to type a name for the book and select the OK button. At this point, the saved version will launch, ready to be used.
All About Me. My name is Morgan. I am 7 years old. My birthday is on July 10th.